If you are serious about earning more money, then you're in the right place at the perfect time. There are over 100 million adult Americans that can benefit from this proven system. Here's why. Almost half of adults in America do not have at least $5,000 in the bank saved for emergencies. And over half of adults in America have virtually no retirement savings. Billionaire Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you are dead." It's sad but true, most adults are buried in debt, after having spent their entire adult lives living paycheck to paycheck, depending only on their job for income. For 2/3 of adults this has proven to not be enough. So, what are you to do? There is a solution for the average person. It's called American Bill Money, also known as ABM. ABM was started in 2003 and was created to provide ambitious adult Americans with a simple system to produce an ongoing residual income from the comfort of their home, without having to speak to anyone or do anything crazy. Residual income is when you get paid over and over again for something you did one time. ABM's opportunity is designed to be as simple and as profitable as anything can possibly be. In fact, all you have to do is be disciplined enough to remain an active customer of ABM, and distribute and/or mail ABM's beautiful full-color postcards in your spare time and follow their tips and suggestions. American Bill Money's time-tested postcard system does all the telling and selling for you, their staff answers any questions people have, and they take the orders for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Whenever one of your postcards creates a new customer, ABM pays you an incredible 60% commission residually, and with just 2 of these referrals, your cost to be a customer is covered, and you are in profit, making your purchase essentially free. You can become a customer of American Bill Money one of 3 ways. You can pay $125 monthly, and cancel at any time, and postcards are a separate purchase. You can prepay once every 6 months for $750, and receive 1,000 postcards for free. Or you can prepay once every 12 months for $1,500, and get 2,500 postcards for free. Each month you'll receive 150 fresh names and addresses of income opportunity seekers and buyers on peel and stick labels. You can use these leads to promote ABM or any other opportunity now and in the future. You will be able to order ABM's top-of-the-line postcards, printed with your ID number on them. If you received a postcard or saw an ad, and are watching this video, you just proved that ABM's system works. American Bill Money uses a unique 3-up pay plan that enables you to receive commissions infinitely wide from your own efforts, and infinitely deep from other people's efforts. Everyone your postcards refer that pays monthly, will earn you a $75 commission every month, residually. These commissions are paid with company checks every Friday. Everyone your postcards refer that chooses the 6-month prepay earns you a $450 commission every 6 months, and everyone your postcards refer that chooses the 12-month prepay earns you a $900 commission every 12 months. ABM handles all your prospects' questions, and closes sales for you. Unlike most other opportunities, ABM pays you on 6 and 12-month prepays even if you are only paying month to month. ABM has paid millions of dollars in commissions since 2003, and they are ready, willing, and able to help you as well. There are no limits to the amount of money you can earn with ABM. Please watch the full video presentation at www.bigabm.com, and you can sign up there as well. You are encouraged to call ABM anytime, with any questions, or to get started, at the office number 757-966-1790. If you don't have any questions and would like to get started right away, you can sign up 24 hours a day on the website at www.bigabm.com, or over the phone by calling their live order line at 757-455-3551. Don't procrastinate, take action now, and join America's #1 residual income system today. We look forward to helping you succeed. This video is brought to you by Ken B., ABM customer number 1968. Ken has special bonuses for you when you join. Please ask for details.